We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, continuing to fight to stay above the 430s and having a lot of volatility in today's FOMC day. And we're going to talk about the key levels to watch. And in today's volatility, our SPY buy at 12:10 p.m. sent out a bear indicator. From that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with the SPY bouncing back up to test key resistance levels, and in today's video we're going to break it all down, what the inflow versus outflow is showing in the bull and bear indicators and what key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix bot. Our Netflix bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:35 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, doing a full transition from bright green bars to white with red borders into the dip area from the rip area on 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, under a bear indicator here at around the 437.50 area, and outflows crossing over into the FOMC meeting and now trying to bounce back up from a key support level down here at around the 434 to 433 area, which we talked about in yesterday's video, and a big rejection here near the 439 to almost 440, right? And what are the key levels to watch going into tomorrow? Well, the first thing is inflow versus outflow is going to be crucial, guys. Outflows are dominating right now under a bear indicator as things are coming back up, and there seems to be a divergence here. And to justify any of this further strength, these inflows need to switch from red to green and push back up towards the midpoint, and not only that, in the process eventually cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator. And in the 15-minute within the volatility, we could see here inflows trying to pick back up. It is under a bull indicator here at around the 435.40 area. I would not ignore that, and these inflows are still below, and that's something to not overlook, but they are green and trying to head towards the midpoint to go ahead and reflect any further strength into these charts, and a full transition from the rip area to the dip area has happened, and so far it's come back up to red bars with green borders, and the last piece missing here is dark green and bright green bars to go ahead and complete a full transition back up. But these inflows need to pick up here on the 15-minute. They're now at outflows of negative 2.05, and they were at the peak down here at negative 4.4. So something to not ignore there is inflows are trying to pick up, but it has not started here on the 30-minute, and it has not started here on the 1 hour, right? Outflows crossed over as well, and it's sitting here at negative 0.69, but under a bear indicator as well here at 437.70s, and it's trying to come back up, and so far to a dark green bar. So these inflows, to go ahead and justify any further strength to the upside, need to start picking up as well. And I'm going to be watching that very carefully here on the 1 hour and the 30-minute going into tomorrow. Now, what are the key levels I would watch? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and down here at 435, that's the first support level I would watch if things start to pull down even further with these outflows to the downside. And same thing here with the 15-minute going from green to red and back down away from the midpoint. And if that gets broken through, the next support I'll be watching is down here at the 433.50 area, and then below that comes the 431.50 area based off the history of the chart and where this bull indicator popped up way back here on Monday, and things consolidated before doing the next leg up to the upside, guys. So I'll be watching those key levels to the downside if these outflows continue any lower and stay below the midpoint. And now to the upside, the first resistance level is going to be 438. There was a big rejection there today, and that's where the bear indicator popped up. And these inflows are going to be crucial and critical to switch from red to green, head towards the midpoint, and continue pushing up here on the 15-minute towards the midpoint and higher to continue reflecting that strength and holding true this bull indicator here within the 15-minute and eventually rolling over that strength to cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator here on the 30-minute, and same thing here on the 1 hour, right? Getting these inflows back up towards the midpoint, switching from red to green, continuing that strength, and eventually canceling out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator. And if that strength rolls over and continues and these inflows head towards the midpoint and cross it, the next resistance above 438 would be 440, and then above that is the 443 area. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. These bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and the inflow versus outflow are going to be critical as they're sitting down here at negative 3.78 on the 30-minute under a bull indicator, but on the 15-minute within the volatility, there's a bull indicator, and it's trying to pick up, and it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to cross over to further reflect any strength and roll over that strength possibly into the 30-minute, get these inflows moving, and eventually getting a bull indicator to cancel out this bear indicator. So I'm going to be watching that very closely going into tomorrow. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.